Hello friends, welcome to Take Easy. Today we will learn about Sumif function in Excel. Friends, we all know that we have huge data, but in order to bring uh, information or meaningful or readable information, we need to use some software or some Excel techniques in order to quickly get the result. So, in order to start with, we will have one example. So, the example is the sales report we have, okay, and we need to bring this result in quickly. So, let's suppose these are only some few rows item, but if there are 1 lakh of row or 1000 10,000 rows, then it is not possible to do manual activity. Hence we use the function called as sumif. So sumif is basically used to sum few amounts based on few conditions or a criteria. So the formula is very easy, but application of this formula is very critical. So we need to understand the logic of this formula, and we should apply it based on the requirement of our reports or our results. So here the report require the month-wise sales report. So we have Jan month, Feb month, March month, and April month. But we just want how much sales we have done. So instead, if somebody is doing like this, that we have done sales in the month of Jan, 1,30,000. Instead of that, we have the formula called as Sumif. Okay. First, it says to select the range. The range is month. Okay, and select the criteria. Criteria is the specific month, and then we have to select the amount. If you have seen that I have used the dollar sign, the dollar sign is just to freeze the particular range, so that whenever I copy paste the formula, that range will not be compromised. So I got the same result as 1,30,000. Now I just have to do copy paste. Okay, so my total sales monthly it's 5 lakhs. Total sales here is also 5 lakhs. So at the same time, somebody asked me that what is this sales by salesman. So the same formula we can use. That is sum if we can see the range salesman. We have frozen the column. Then we have selected a particular salesman. Now we have to select the sales amount. We have to do we have to freeze the okay. Again we have copy pasted. We got the result as a salesman. That this salesman has done this much of sales. Now what happens if you have a more than one criteria, like salesman A, how much sale he has done in the month of January, and what product he has sold, whether a mobile phone or a tablet. So there are multiple conditions. So we can use formula, that is some ifs. Some ifs help us to bring more criteria into formula. Okay, so first it asks what is the sum range. We have to just select sum range. You have to freeze the column, comma. Now it asks for the criteria range 1. So criteria range 1 would be my month. Okay, I have to freeze. I'm freezing by pressing F4, comma. My criteria 1 is January month. Okay, comma. Criteria range 2 is my salesman. Okay, I've selected the salesman, comma. That is, here I have taken criteria, comma. I want to see whether the mobile phones and the tablets, that is my third criteria. So I've selected mobile phone and tablet, comma. Here it's a mobile phones. I've completed the practice. Okay. Now I just need to copy paste this entire formula in tablet. F2. Now just I have to change mobile phone to tablet. So I have to change uh, G16 to X16. Enter. I got the sales. Now I can simply say that what whether A has sold how much, B has sold how much, and C has sold how much. This is how I can get this result based on some ifs. The earlier version of MS Office does not have the function of sum ifs, whereas the latest version of Excel MS Office does not have the sum if function, whereas it allows us to use only sum ifs for all the conditions, even if it is a one condition or more conditions. Guys, please do subscribe and like our videos. Thank you so much for watching.